we had a clear discussion about input and output statements. Have you remembered, right? Input and output statements we covered, right? Okay. So now input and output statements we discussed, right? In the input statements, how to read the data? Can you please guide how you can able to read the data, sir? Can you please guide how you can able to read the data? By using what? Yes, by using what? Input is the function. Correct? By using input function, we can able to read the data. But the problem with the input function is, what is the problem with the input function, sir? The problem with the input function is, yes, very simple, sir. The return type is always a string. Compulsory we require to perform typecasting. Compulsory we require to perform typecasting, or eval function we require to use. Already we discussed about that. Next, after completing that, the next thing what we require to discuss is what we covered is how to read the command line arguments. How you can able to read the command line arguments, right? That thing is also very important, right? Okay. Now, how to read command line arguments, sir? Sir, very simple. Sys module argv is the variable we require to use. Okay. From sys import argv. From sys import argv. Next, and after that print argv. All command line arguments by default we can able to get. Clear, right? Sir, how you can get command line arguments? From sys import argv, sir, print of argv. Like all command line arguments we are going to get. But here there is one small problem is there. What is that problem? What is that problem? Anyone, can you please tell? What is the problem? Because the problem is first element is always file name. Regarding first element is always file name. Okay, like this, right? So first element is always file name, sir. Is always file name. So compulsory we have to take argv of 1 colon like that only, right? Regarding argv of 1 colon like that, it's going to be considered, right? Sir, this is the first thing what you people should be aware. Next, internally the arguments are always what types are? String type only. Remember, that's why compulsory. Okay, we have to typecast if you want to consider as int type or any other type, right? Okay, that's all. We covered up to these input statements, right? So now what is the next thing we have to discuss? Output statements, right? Sir, I want to print what are various options are available to print the data. Remember this, right? If you want to print something, output statements, what are various things are available? This is a very important terminology, right? Sir, what is the first one? What is the first one, sir? Print of string, sir. Regarding print of str, sir, you can pass any string, sir. You can pass any string, no problem at all. Happily it is going to print the content. Okay, how you can able to do that? How you can able to do that, sir? Sir, very simple, sir. Here I'm taking print of hello world. Yes, no problem. Happily it's going to print hello world to the console. Observe that, hello world to the console, sir. Happily it is going to print hello world to the console. Itself is acceptable, sir. It is going to print hello world to the console, right? Now let me cross check. Let me cross check, sir. Py test.py hello world by default is going to print to the console. Regarding, sir, now my requirement is, even if you want, you can use escape characters also, no problem at all, sir. Even we can use escape characters also, sir. Sir, now print of hello world here, or otherwise Durga. Here just I'm taking hello. Next the \n followed by world, like this I'm taking. Sir, what is the purpose of \n? Can you please confirm? What the need or what the purpose of \n? Can you please confirm? Next line, right? Now have a look once. Hello world by default is going to come in the next line. Hello in the one line, world is in another line, by default is going to come, sir. Next T also you can able to use, then automatically hello, then automatically, sir, T. means space by default will come in the picture. Regarding this is because of that tab like this we are going to use, right? Next even plus operator, even plus operator you can use. Next star operator you can use, no problem at all. So hello plus next and after that, so word like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, sir, plus operator between two string object, it is always treated as concatenation. Plus operator between two string objects, it's always treated as concatenation. Regarding the right concatenation by default we are going to get. Next instead of that, sir, we can use even star operator also. Okay, hello star 10 times I'm taking, sir. 10 times I'm taking, then automatically hello by default we are going to get 10 times. Clear, right? So what is the first argument to the print statement? What is the first argument to the print statement is, I mean string argument we covered already, right? But one small twist is there, sir. What the twist is? Of course argument wise no twist here. Durga plus soft I'm taking. Can you please guide, is it valid or not? Can you please guide, is it valid or not? Yes, valid, no problem at all. Sir, I'm taking something like this. Is it valid or invalid? Can you please confirm? Is it valid or invalid? Can you please confirm? Can you please confirm? Invalid. Because the reason is, whenever we are using plus operator between two string, for the string, compulsory both arguments should be string type only. Compulsory both arguments should be string type only. Remember that, sir. If one is string, the other one is number, immediately error by default you are going to get. Observe that somewhere we covered hello plus 10, immediately error by default you are going to get. Must be str but not int. Must be str but not int. Okay, like this. Similarly, so the conclusion is, if you want to use plus operator for the string, both the arguments should be string type only. Okay, both arguments should be string type only. By mistake, if you are trying to take any other type, one is the string, the other type if you are taking, immediately you are going to get error. Remember that. Next, sir, I'm taking star 10. Acceptable or not? Acceptable or not? Acceptable or not? Yes, acceptable, no problem at all. So here I'm taking 10 into Durga. Is it valid or not? Can you please confirm? Is it, I mean, is it valid or not? Yes, sir. One, if you want to apply star operator between string and int, if you want to apply star operator between string and int, one argument should be string type, the other argument should be int type. In any order you can take, no problem at all. Either first string followed by number or number followed by string, both the things are nothing but acceptable. Like this, right, sir? Here hello into 10 I'm taking, or otherwise, sir, 10 into hello I'm taking, sir. 10 into hello I'm taking, sir. In both cases, same output by default you are going to get, sir. Are you getting? Same output by default we are going to get, no problem at all. Sir, next here one thing. Suppose if I can take like this, is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? Durga and then soft like this, is it valid or not? Can you please guide? Is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? Yes, immediately invalid, because whenever we are using star operator, compulsory one argument should be string type, the other argument should be int type. If one argument is the string, compulsory other argument should be int type only. By mistake, if you are providing any other type, immediately we are going to get error. After this clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, some people are asking, sir, can you please tell, is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? Durga plus soft into 10. Can you please confirm, is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? Yes, because here soft 10 times, it is again string plus a string is nothing but concatenation. 1 minute, let me cross check whether it is going to be performed or not. Now observe that, sir. Now observe available ones. Yes, perfectly. Durga followed by soft 10 times. It's a possible right there. Next, some people are asking, sir, 10 into Durga, again into Durga, like this, right? Yes, sir, 10 into Durga is a string, again 10 times, again 10 times. Then automatically, total how many times Durga is going to come? Total how many times Durga is going to come? 100 times. 100 times Durga is going to come, sir. Have you observed? Durga. Like 100 times by default is going to come. Perfectly valid. Yes, your doubts are clarified, I hope. Okay, remember. So, for the print, first argument should be str. Okay, this str you can frame by using star operator, by using plus operator, or plain str you can provide. Or instead of that, sir, escape characters you can use, tab, anything you are allowed to use, but the end it should be str type only. That's all right. This is what you should aware. Next, what are the next one, sir? I have to take. So now my next point here is, sir, I'm taking, what is the difference between these two lines? Anyone, can you please tell? Hello plus world, like this I'm taking, sir. Hello plus world, like this I'm taking. Next, hello comma world, like this I'm taking, sir. What is the difference between these two lines? Anyone, can you please tell? Nabin, whenever plus operator, if you are applying for the string, compulsory Python is always expecting both arguments should be string type only, because the functionality of plus operator in Python is implemented in that style. Nabin, getting? What is the answer by default you are going to get in this case? Okay, remember, first one, plus operator, concatenation, hello world we are going to get. But second one, second one, hello comma world. Second one, forget about first one, forget about second. First one only I want to take, no problem, hello world like this. But what about second one, sir? What about second one? Can you please confirm? Yeah, remember a bit carefully. How many people feels that it is invalid? Can you please confirm? How many people feels it is invalid? Yeah. Anyone feels invalid? Can you please let me know? One is Sarvanan, Virendra Kumar. Any other? Yeah. Any other? Can you please tell? It is invalid, sir. Invalid. I'm feeling like that. Sir, how many people just who are feeling it is invalid? Invalid. Remember that. Yes, majority of the people, sir. Remember, print statement. How many arguments it is taking? Can you please tell here how many arguments it is taking? One argument. Print statement can take any number of arguments, no problem at all, sir. Remember this one. So first argument, comma second argument, comma third argument, comma fourth argument, like comma fifth argument, like any number of arguments, happily it can able to take. Don't worry, sir, only one argument it's going to take. Okay, make sure, sir. It can take any number of arguments. These arguments can be any type also, no problem at all. Now the point here is, while printing, how it is going to print is, first X will be printed, and then space Y will be printed, space Z will be printed, space A will be printed, space B will be printed. Are getting? While printing, in between these, sir, space by default will be there. Observe that difference right now. So 100% pakka itself is valid. Are you getting right? 100% pakka itself is valid. Don't keep any doubt at all. Okay, like next, hello, comma, word, like this I'm taking. Sir, what is the difference between these two lines, right? What is the difference between these two lines, right? Sir, this is the first argument, comma, this is the second argument, like this. Comma means a space. While printing, space will come in the picture. That's why the output, can you please observe that? First one is the simple concatenation, but second one is in the middle, space by default is going to come. Any doubt? Okay, that's how this is. So either print statement contain multiple number of arguments or not. Yes, any number of arguments. Is it going to take any number of arguments or not? Yes, no problem at all. It can take any number of arguments, right? Itself is acceptable. Remember that. Okay. Now I'm taking one more example, sir. A comma B comma C is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Is it valid or not? Separator. Comma is the separator, man. Swarup. Comma is the separator. Next, while printing, space is going to come. Is it valid or not? Yes, we covered already in the last sessions. A comma A value will become 10, B value will become 20, like that. Now I'm trying to print A comma B comma C. I'm trying to, oh, can you please print A value, B value, C value? What is the output by default you are going to get, sir? What is the output? Output by default you are going to get. Okay? What that output we are going to get? 10 space 20 space 30. Sir, like this, right? Now observe that 10 space 20 space 30 by default we are going to get. Okay? That's all. This is what is the meaning of. This is what is the meaning of multiple arguments, right? Now here one small twist is there. What is that twist? Listen very carefully, sir. Next a few points, very important, sir. How many values we are trying to print? How many values we are trying to print? Three values, right? Assume that. Let me add fourth value also. Let me add fourth value also. Okay. How many values we are trying to print? 4 values we are trying to print, sir. Four we are trying to print. Now, while printing, what is the separator? What the separator? Space. Sir, first one, and then space. Second one, and then space. Third one, and then space. Fourth one. The default separator while printing, my Python is always going to consider space character, right? The default separator Python is always going to consider the space character. Any doubt? Space character while printing, space character, right? Now my question is, hey, I don't want space, man. I don't want space. I want a comma symbol while printing. Are you getting? I want comma symbol while printing. Sir, I want this type of output, sir. 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40. This type of output I want, sir. Sir, I don't want comma, sir. I want hyphen symbol in between these, sir. I want hyphen symbol in between these, sir. Like, sir, is it possible or not to specify our own separator? Yes. Okay. How we can able to do is very simple. Sir, what is the default separator? Please confirm. What is the default separator? Right. What is the default separator, sir? Space is the separator. Okay. Now, what you can take is separator. Okay. SEP. What is that, sir? SEP. Observe the SEP. Okay. SEP means separator. Separator is equal to which character you want. Comma, sir. I want comma. So while printing multiple values, the default separator of print statement is always space. Instead of space, if you want your own value, comma, SEP is equal to, like this we have to specify. At last, SEP attribute we have to specify. What is that attribute name? Anyone can you please tell? Please respond. What is that attribute name? SEP. SEP means what? Separator. While printing multiple values, I want while printing multiple values, I want my own separator in between values. Then what is the output? Have a look once. 10, 20, 30, 40, like this. Like, sir, I want colon symbol. I want hyphen symbol. Hyphen symbol. Like, oh, no problem, man. Observe that. Second time, colon symbol is coming. Third time, hyphen symbol is coming. Yes, like you can use anything, no problem at all. Are you getting right? Sir, only SEP we require to use. You should not use even full form also. SEP we require to use. Clear? Kalyan, it won't work. Kalyan, it won't work. Whatever you are asking, it won't work. Sir, attribute is nothing but parameter, property. Okay, attribute itself is nothing but parameter, property. Sir, which property you want to use? Which parameter you want to use? SEP, separator, I have to use. Any doubt? Okay. Yeah. Next. Here, compulsory these things should be valid values only. In the values, you should not play the games. Regarding that, in the values, we should not. Sir, compulsory the separator should be single one only. Remember that the separator should be single symbol only. Okay, you should not use multiple symbols. Clear, right? It is just inbuilt local variable of print function. It is not belongs to any class and so on. Yes, you can use any symbol, no problem at all. Sir, I want sir x as the separator. I want x as the separator. 10 x 20 x 30 x like anything you can take, no problem at all. So this is what the separator. Remember. Clear, right? Okay, some people are asking for the first two values, comma must be required. For second one, colon must be required. For third one, okay, hyphen must be required, sir. Is it possible or not? Is it possible or not? What the answer you can able to take? Is it possible or not? Okay. At the end, so here as of now, not possible. Remember that. Remember, if you are going to do some smart coding, then we can able to do. But this way, not possible, sir. This way, not at all possible. Remember that. So here, separator means only one value you have to provide. Based on that, it's going to be there. So now my question is, when we should use SEP attribute. Attribute is nothing but just property, sir. When we should use SEP attribute? Sir, while printing multiple values by using print statement. While printing by printing multiple values by using print statement. Sir, default the separator between the values is space. If you don't want a default separator, if you want to specify your own separator, then we should go for SEP attribute. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? SEP wise, separator, multiple values while printing, separator means SEP. Next, one more attribute is there. Don't get shocked. Don't get confused. Very important. Sir, I'm taking print of Durga. Print of Durga like this I'm taking, sir. Next, print of software. Print of software I'm taking, sir. Next, print of software. Print of solutions. Solutions I'm taking. Durga software solutions like this I'm taking, sir. Can you please guide what is the output by default you are going to get now? If I can take like this, what is the output by default you are going to get now? Please confirm. What is the output you are going to get? First Durga, next line software, next line solutions like this. It's going to come. Correct or not? Durga software solutions, sir. So 3 lines the output is going to come. Have you observed? 3 lines the output is going to come. First Durga, next software, next solutions like. Listen very carefully, sir. Sir, in the case of print, after printing, every time line separator will be added. After printing, every time line separator by default will be added. Remember that, sir. Line separator will be added. So that's why Durga, after that, yes, software is coming in the next line, solutions is coming in the next line. Remember this one, sir. Software is coming in the next line, solutions is coming in the next line. Like this, right? Okay, this is Durga, and then software, and then solutions, like it's going to come, sir. Now, because of that, like this, Durga, because of new line character, software, because of that new line character, solutions is going to come. Now, sir, here print of Hyderabad. Either Hyderabad is going to come in the next line, or in the same line. Hyderabad will come in the next line or not? Yes, obviously. Default, man. Default, it's going to come in the next line. Now my requirement is, I don't want in the next line, man. After solutions, don't keep a new line character. I want to specify my own separate, my own. Whatever you want, I want to specify my own. Sir, like here, end is equal to N is equal to backslash n. Observe that, sir. N is equal to backslash n. If I can take here, which attribute we are using? Please respond. Which attribute we are using? Backslash. N is equal to backslash n. N attribute, what is the value? Backslash n. Now, observe that. Observe what the answer we are getting? Same answer, right? So, the default value for n attribute is backslash n. That's why it's always going to come in the next line. The next print statement output is always come next line. So, I don't want in the next line. I want in the same line only. I want in the same line only. Remove this one, just a space. Remove this one, space. Okay, no problem. Now, solutions. After that, instead of new line, space will come. Next data will be printed in the continuation only. Have a look once. Have you observed, right? Solutions. After that space, Hyderabad. So, if multiple print statements are there, every print statement output is always going to come in the next line. But if you don't want in the next line, if you want in the same line with your required end value, then you have to use which attributes are end attribute, right? Here also you can use end. End is equal to just the colon I'm taking, sir. Here end is equal to here also colon I'm taking, sir. Can you please guide what is the output we are going to get now? How many lines of output is going to come? Can you please confirm how many lines of the output is going to come? Wait, think a bit very carefully. Think a bit very carefully and then tell the answer. How many lines of the output is going to come? Simple, sir. Only one line. Single line. Durga is coming. First Durga is coming. Now end. End means what? So, oh, not new line, man. Not new line. Continuation, colon symbol. Next and after that software, sir. Next software. Here also again no new line. End is again colon. Next solutions will come immediately. Don't get confused. Solutions will come immediately. Next end, sir, here space. Oh, not a new line. Here space, not a new line. Hyderabad. Are you getting? Hyderabad like this. Yes, perfectly. We are going to have yes this output. No problem. Yes, observe that. Let me execute this code. Am I getting the same output or not? Clear, right? Are you able to understand? Now my question is, take a bit very special care. The default, whenever multiple print statements are there, every print statement output is always going to come in the next line. If you don't want in the next line, in the same line, if you want, then we require to use end attribute. Are you getting? End attribute, when we require to use if multiple print statements are there. Remember that, sir. Multiple print statements are there, then end attribute we require to use. Okay. Next, when SCP attribute we require to use in the same single print statement, if multiple values are there, multiple values are there, like this, right? In the same print statement, if multiple values are there, to print these values in a single line with my required separator, then automatically we have to take. What is the default value for separator? Can you please tell what the default value for separator? Please confirm. Space is the default value. What is the default value for end attribute? What is the default value for end attribute? End attribute default value is nothing but what? \n. New line is the end attribute default value, right? Clear, right? Okay. Well, any doubt? Can you please confirm? Wait a second, Srikant Datta. What's your doubt, sir? Why the second print prints the braces? Where is that? Where it's going to print the braces? I mean, you are talking about colon? Yes, Srikanta. Yes, colon means here. Just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Observe a bit very carefully. Durga, first Durga will be printed. Now have a look, and then new line actually. But instead of new line, you specified end. Which symbol is coming? Colon is coming. Yes, up to this first line completed. Now second one is going to come. Second one is going to come. Okay, software. Again, it's going to print in the same line. Software. Here also n is equal to what I am taking? Colon. N is equal to colon is going to come. Separator is the colon. Line to line. Separator is the colon. Next, print solutions. Solutions. Next, end space means like this. End space. Next, after that, Hyderabad. Can you please observe? Srikandatta. It prints with the braces and a colon. Where is the braces, man? Are you seeing braces anywhere? Srikandatta. Okay, you are asking about some different. You are asking about some different. Now, it won't do that. Here, 1 minute. What your doubt? That's all. This is about your doubt. Correct? Srikant. Yeah. Here, just observe what it's going to print, man. Simple. First value, space, second value. Clear, right? Yeah, maybe Srikant. Just better to use Python 3 version 3.6 or 3.7. Don't use 2.7. Maybe version to version, maybe a difference. Yeah. Srivani. Sir, when I try to print this, giving some different symbol at the end, okay? What you are doing? End is the colon. Can you please observe? Unindented content. Yes. Indentation is not there. Can you please observe that? Perfectly it's coming, right? Srivani. Okay. Better to use from the editor. Don't use console. Yeah. Now, sir, here just observe that. Yes. Correct. Paneer Selvam, we can use a SEP attribute. We can use SEP attribute whenever we are printing in the same print statement multiple values. I will use both attributes, right? So just observe that. Don't get confused, right? Print 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 SEP is equal to colon. SEP is equal to colon. End is equal to just end is equal to hyphen. Like this I'm taking. Observe very carefully. I'm trying to use both. Next, print here I'm taking Sunny. Next and after that Bunny. Okay. Next and after that Chinny. Like this I'm taking. Next, SEP is equal to SEP is equal to hyphen. I'm taking SEP is equal to hyphen. Comma, end is equal to sir colon I'm taking. End is equal to colon I'm taking. Next, print of Durga. Print of soft I'm taking. Can you please guide what is the exact output we are going to get, sir? If you can guess the output, then not required to keep any explanation about this one. If you are not guessing the correct output, then I require to explain. You have to get much clarity. I'm sure. What the output by default you are going to get, sir? Can you please guide? Total, how many lines of the output is there? Total, how many lines of the output is there? 2 lines or 3 lines? 2 lines or 3 lines? Excellent, 4 lines. Okay, please guide sir. Please observe. Just if we are going to complete this one, then the remaining things we can move further. Okay, take a bit very special care. Legend this one. Sir, when we should go for SCP attribute? Can you please confirm? When we should go for SCP attribute? If you are printing multiple values, sir, default space is going to print A, B, C, D like this space. Instead of space in the middle, if you want any separator, then you can specify this one. Excellent, sir. Now, next this is for SCP. Next, when we should go for end attribute? End attribute is if multiple print statements are there, every print statement output is always going to come next line. Sir, it is coming first line. After that, this one is going to come in the second line. Instead of new line, if you want to specify your own, then automatically you can use end attribute. Right? Now, after printing this total, hyphen, immediately this thing is going to print. Okay, that's all. End attribute job is like that. Now, can you please observe that carefully, sir? So these 4 values I have to print. Default separator is the space. But here I specify colon. That's fine. 10 colon 20 colon 30 colon 40. 10 colon. So because of this colon, yes, all the 4 values printed in a single print statement. Next, after that, next data should come in the next line, but I specified end attribute. Oh, instead of new line, I have to take hyphen. Instead of new line, I have to take hyphen symbol, right? Instead of new line, I have to take hyphen because end attribute, right? Now, what is the next one, sir? Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, I have to take. But here, separator I specified. Instead of space, I have to use hyphen. Don't get confused. Here separator is hyphen. Here separator is hyphen. That's why Sunny. Okay. Hyphen, Bunny, hyphen, Chinny. Like this I'm taking. Chinny like this. So because of this separator, these 3 values printed with the hyphen symbol in the middle. After that, the next line, the next print should come in the next line. But here I specified end attribute. That's why colon. Now the next thing should be continued because not \n. That's why Durga. Okay, like here you are not using any end attribute. Then obviously default end attribute is the next line only. That's why soft will be printed in the next line. How many people are having the doubt? Can you please? Everyone got clearly? That's just nothing, man. Even you are getting some problem also. What you can able to do? Just practice 2 or 3 examples and observe the output. Then you can able to get very clearly. Okay. Let me remove this one. Let me execute. Our expected thing is coming or not? Yes. 10 colon 20 colon 30 colon 40. Hyphen Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, colon Durga. And then soft is going to come in the next line. So don't get confused for which purpose we are using SCP, for which purpose we are using end. Remember this one. Separate SCP is the separate and the end is the separate. What is the default value for SCP? What is the default value for SCP? Separator. What is the default separator, sir? Space. What is the default value for end? The default value for end is nothing but \n. New line character, right? That's all. This is end attribute. Next and after that, this is next separator attribute, right? Next, sir, you know, we can print next option, sir. We can print any style, any object, sir. Sir, observe. You can print any object, sir. Means 10, 20, 30, or list, tuple, any kind of thing you can able to print, no problem at all. Remember that, sir. You can print anything, sir. Itself is acceptable. Suppose I'm taking a list, sir. L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Print of L I'm taking. Sir, L is what? Can you please tell? L is what? L is nothing but list object. List object. Happily, the corresponding list object is going to come. 10, 20, 30, 40. Happily, the corresponding list object is going to come, sir. Okay, remember. Similarly, okay, T, L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, like this. Similarly, T is equal to, like, let me take a T also. T is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. Like this I'm taking, sir. Print of T, sir. Print of T I'm taking. But the answers are by default like this. So, for the print statement, you can take any argument, no problem at all. Any list object, set object, map object, like any type of object you can able to pass. Itself is nothing but acceptable. Clear, right? Any doubt? Okay, just a few minutes, right? A bit dangerous concept. I'm ready to start. Take a bit very special care, sir. One string argument method is there. One string argument method is there. Next, any type of argument you can able to pass. One form string argument like this, right? Yes, none also you can able to pass. No problem. It is going to print a none only. String, any type of argument you can able to pass. Okay, well. Next, one more thing, sir. One more thing, sir. Do you know? Can you please tell, is it a valid or not? Is it a valid or not? Yes, is equal to Durga I'm taking. Yes is equal to Durga. Just I have one variable is there, sir, Durga. Next, age is equal to some 48. I'm taking age is equal to 48. S1 is equal to Java I'm taking. S2 is equal to Python I'm taking. S2 is equal to Python. Python like this I'm taking, sir. So do you know the biggest advantage of Python when compared with Java? Now you can able to see, sir. How many variables are there? Can you please tell how many variables are there? 4 variables are there. Now print of. Sir, here observe that. Hello, yes, hello, yes, hello, yes, hello, yes, hello, Durga. Okay. Now I'm taking, sir, your age is, comma, age I'm taking. Hello, Durga, your age is something like. Next, print on. Sir, you are teaching. You are teaching. Okay, like you are teaching. Comma, sir, which subjects, right? S1, and S2. S1 and S2 directly. The people who are coming from Java background, if you want to print this type of line in Java, what you have to do you know? System.out.println. Okay, system.out.println. Hello plus yes plus your age. Are getting like there are multiple, but in Python, hello, comma, yes, comma, your age, comma, age, like this, right? Perfectly, it's going to work. Are getting? Hello, Durga? The corresponding values by default will be considered in the middle. Space by default will be there. Hello, Durga, your age, you are teaching Java and Python, something like it's going to tell. Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand, right? Yes, SOP allows. Okay, like this is also so mixed variable part, string part, variable part and a string part. You can able to use, man. Okay, like now another thing. So next 5 minutes. You have to take more care. Better to take, sir. 5 minutes, please. A bit a dangerous concept we are going to take. 5 minutes. That's all. Just after 5 minutes, just nothing will be there. This is the last 5 minutes. Print of. So you know we have formatted string. The people who are coming from C language, they can able to understand very easily, sir. Print of formatted string. Are you getting formatted string, sir? Sir, what here percentage I means int type. Percentage I means int type, sir. Percentage I means int type. Saravanan, you can use either double quotes or single quote. Both the things are acceptable. Next, percentage I. Next, percentage D means int type. Remember, percentage I or percentage D, both are int type only. Percentage F means float type. Float type, sir. Percentage S means string type, str type. Str type. Observe a bit very carefully about this one. Are you getting? Sir, can you please tell if you want to specify int value, what is the way? Percentage. Can you please spell out percentage? Percentage I, and then percentage D. Percentage F means float, percentage S means SCR type. Okay. Now, what I want to do is how to use formatted string. Very simple, sir. Print of formatted string. Print of formatted string. And then space. And then space. No comma. No comma. Please observe very carefully, sir. No comma. No comma. And then percentage. Sir, here variable list you have to take. Variable list. If only one variable is there, parentheses are optional. Remember this one. Only one variable is there, parentheses are optional. Like, sir, you are telling something. What it means? What it means? I will explain with an example. Don't worry about this one, sir. What is this one? What is this one, sir? Formatted string. Formatted string. String. What about double? Agenda day. Double is not there in the Python. Remember, we have float, int, str type, like that, right? No double data type is not there. Yeah. Now it is the formatted string. Percentage followed by variable list. Remember, variable list type. What it means, sir? Sir, very simple. What I'm taking is observe A comma B comma C is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. I'm taking, sir, ABC is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Now my requirement is just I'm taking print of sir, A value is anyway, A value is what type? Int type. That's why percentage I am taking, sir. This is the formatted string because I'm using percentage I and so on. Space percentage followed by here which value you want to take. Which value you want to take? Only A value. Only single variable, right? Parentheses are not required, like this. Observe carefully. A bit dangerous, sir. Sir, it is the string with the formatted things. Percentage I. Sir, space, no comma, space, percentage followed by, sir, this percentage I should be replaced with which value? A value, like this, right? Next, listen carefully. B value is, now I'm taking B value is percentage I, and C value is percentage I. Okay, excellent. Observe that. Sir, how many times percentage I use here? How many times I use here? Two times. First percentage I, space percentage. First percentage I, B value, comma, second percentage I, C value, like this. That's our first percentage I, B value, and the second percentage I, C value we require to take. Is it clear, right? Okay. That's all. This is what you people should very clearly write. Let me take this example. Sir. Here, have a look once. A value is 10, B value is 20, and the C value is 30. Like this, we can use this type of styles also. Observe that carefully, sir. Are you getting? This type of thing is nothing but formatted string. Yes, sir. Yeah, there are some people are having bigger doubts. Are these type of things where we can use? While going next examples, multiple times we are going to use this separator attribute, end attribute. These things are very common requirements, man. Remember, very common requirements. Compulsory, you people should have clear clarity about this. Okay. Next, one more thing is there, sir. Just let me go for one more example. Sir, any explanation is required about this one? Yes, any explanation is required about this? Sir, very simple. You are taking one string, man. One string. If anywhere variable is there, B value is, I have to consider B value. B is what type? Int type. That's why just I'm taking percentage I. Just I'm taking percentage I. Okay, C value is, I have to take C value. C is what type? Int type. Percentage I I'm taking. Now the first percentage I replaced with B, value of B. Second percentage I replaced with value of C. Are you getting? So the syntax is, sir, print of here formatted string. Formatted string I have to take. So means formatted string means with the percentage I, percentage S, percentage F, that thing is nothing but formatted. Next, under space, percentage symbol. If you are using how many times this formatted value, formatted characters, sir, first formatted A, second formatted B, third formatted C, something like those many. How many times you are using percentage I, percentage F, the corresponding variable values you have to take. Clear, right? So you can't change Babu. Compulsory we require to use percentage I. After that, you can represent by using percentage A. Okay, like, sir, one more example so that you may get some much clarity. Sir, I have S is equal to Durga is there. I have S is equal to Durga is there. Now observe, sir, can I use single quotes or double quotes? Please confirm. Can I use single quotes or double quotes? Anything, no problem at all. Both are valid. Next, here I'm taking list is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, like this I'm taking. Sir, I have S is there, I have list is there, sir. I have S is there, I have list is there. Now print of formatted string I'm taking. Sir, formatted string. Hello, Durga, percentage yes. Oh, here you people may get the confusion. Let me take a name. Hello, percentage yes. Percentage yes. The list of items, are again percentage yes. Any object type we can represent by using percentage yes. Sir, that's all. Formatted string completed. Space. Sir, how many times I used formatters? How many times I used? 2 times. Hello, first time the value of this percentage yes means name. Second time the value of percentage yes means list. That's why space. Can you please confirm what the remaining? Please confirm what the remaining? Percentage bracket open. What is the first percentage yes is nothing but name. Second percentage yes is nothing but list. Any doubt? Now what is the output you are going to get? Hello, the first percentage yes replaced with the value of name. Which is the name is nothing but Durga. Next, the list of items are these percentage yes means this is the list. Observe that this is the list like this, right? Now, sir, here percentage yes means need not be string. Any object also. Suprat, any object also. Have a look once. Hello, Durga. The list of items are 10, 20, 30, 40. No problem at all. So this is for any object type also. I mean for list like this, while printing anyway converted into string, right? That's why. But a bit rare we are going to use this approach. Don't worry, sir. Clear? Are you in a position to understand? Okay. Next up, one more. Last one. Matter of 5 minutes, sir. Last one. Observe that. Last one. Observe. Even this much complex also. I don't want this much complex, sir. Next one. Very important thing. Very important thing, sir. This is the very important. This approach we are always going to use. Name is equal to Durga. Observe that. This is a very common, sir. Replacement operator. Sir, with the print with the replacement operator. Print with the replacement operator. Like this. Replacement operator like that. How you can able to do that? That part I will discuss here. Replacement operator, right? Name is the Durga. Salary. Okay. salary is 10,000 like this. Sir, I have some girlfriend is there. Sunny is my girlfriend. Like this, right? Observe that. Name, salary, girlfriend, something like this. This we have. Okay, three variables I took, sir. Now, print off, like this. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. Print off. Hello. Here, something. My required output is, sir, hello, Durga. Hello, Durga. Your salary is 10,000, and your friend Sunny is waiting. This is about my required output. Sir, have you observed, right? This is about my required output, sir. What is the way, sir? Observe that. Hello, sir, space. This is the very common approach we are going to use in the next classes. Please make sure you should aware. Hello, percentage. Hello, sir, here no percentage, just a curly brace open and close. Space, just a curly brace open and close. This is called replacement operator. Instead of Durga, I'm taking curly braces. Next and after that, your salary is again variable value, percentage, and your friend Sunny again is waiting like this, right? Can I use the word this total is a string operator or not? This total is the string or not? Please confirm. This total is the string or not? Yes. How many replacement operators you use, right? How many replacement operators we use? Three. First replacement should be replaced with the name value. Second one replaced with the salary value. Third one replaced with the girlfriend value, like this, right? What I have to take here is, sir, dot format. Remember this one, dot format. So string, on the string object, I'm calling format method. First one name, comma, second one salary, comma, third one GF, like this I'm taking, sir. End of this one. Now have a look once. Don't get confused. Sir, here. Hello. First one replaced with the name. Next, sir, second one replaced with the salary. Third one replaced with the sir, like this, right? 100% pakka it is going to valid, sir. Have a look once. Hello, Durga. Your salary is 10,000 and your friend Sunny is waiting. Are you getting right? Definitely it's going to work. Any doubt? Is it working or not? Yes. Here, sir, this total is the string dot format of whatever the values you want. Are you getting that? Whatever the values you want. It's a very common trend, man. Compulsory you people should be aware. Okay, because we are going to use multiple times this type of approach, right? Okay. Now, do you know? Suppose I'm taking. Still another thing is there. At this age, I don't. At this stage, I don't want to create confusion. Yes, we will discuss that part. Suprat Kumar. No. Sir, here A comma B comma C comma D is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Yeah, single line. Now I want to print A value, B value, C value, and so on. What I'm taking? A is equal to, okay, comma B is equal to, comma C is equal to, comma D is equal to dot. That's all. This is the output. This is the format I want. So dot format first one replace with A value. Second one replace with B. Now observe that how beautiful it is. Now the output is going to come. A is equal to okay, like this curly brace is going to come. Curly brace is replaced with A. Like this, right? Next, this curly brace is replaced with the replacement operator, replaced with the B, like this, right? Next, this one is replaced with the C, and this one is replaced with the D. Are you getting? While printing, this type of thing we are going to use, man. Santosh Reddy. While going in the next examples, all these things we are going to use. Don't worry, but you should have clarity about these styles. Observe that A value is equal to 10, B value is equal to 20, C value is equal to 30, D value is equal to 40. Oh, sir, very easily you can able to do that. Are you getting? In which format you want? If anywhere variable values are there, just use curly braces. Anywhere variable values are there, just use curly braces. Curly braces like this, right? But anyway, formatted string, percentage and so on, that is the nonsense. Don't. This is highly recommended to use. Remember, all these are various options what we have. But related to this, some more extra things are there. That part I will discuss. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, that's also. Just I'm stopping. Tomorrow I will add some more extra things here, and then okay, we will continue further.